Hi, Gus from Green Monster here today to have a quick chat to you about our latest Test Accessory Kit, or TAC, for the PT21. But before we have a look at the new TAC, I thought I'd take a minute to just explain why we've developed it and the scenarios where you would be using such a device. So let's crack on. Well, for those of you who are familiar or regularly load test chemical anchors, concrete anchors, or even rock bolts for that matter, would be aware that on occasion, depending on the standard that you're testing to and the test that you're performing, there is a requirement to measure the vertical displacement of the anchor being tested, just to ensure that it hasn't pulled out or failed during the proof load testing. And herein lies one of the challenges. There isn't a tester on the market that encompasses both the proof load testing apparatus as well as the measurement apparatus. So typically the measurements are taken by a dial indicator or an electronic linear displacement transducer, but it's the mounting of these to the anchor that is problematic and quite often results in large, gangly and fiddly, time-consuming amalgamations of bits of kit that take far too much time, especially when you are testing a large number of anchors. And it's precisely this problem that led us to develop this new TAC. Here it is. We call it the Caliper TAC, or the Cal TAC, and this little guy securely bolts to the side of the PT21 Pull Tester body and then allows you to securely clamp a digital Vernier Caliper to the PT21 Pull Tester. The caliper then reads the vertical displacement of the PT21's load pin, and hence the clevis, and hence your anchor that you're testing. And as you can see, this all results in a very small form factor, and repeating measurements is as simple as picking the PT21 up, placing it over the new anchor, hitting the reset button on the Vernier, and proceeding to pull test the next anchor. It really is as simple as that.